Guys, what up? We're back here with another video, and what's that?
Delivery.
What the heck? Hi. That was odd. No! Guys, I didn't even order this. Like, a fidget spinner just came, guys. A fidget spinner just came. Oh my gosh, guys. Look at it. It's green and blue. Oh, this is epic. Guys, it's the perfect day. I was just going to do a video on this fidget spinner, and I got another fidget spinner, guys. I have 2 fidget spinners now. Yes. That's crazy. Oh, wait. Oh, my gosh. It says on the back that it's from Olympia Sports. But it also says someone's address. So I don't want to show it to you because it's for somebody that I don't know. And I don't want you going to their house and breaking in. So can't show you their address. I'm sorry. But I'll leave down the descriptions below where you can get one of these fidget spinners, okay? Let's see which one spins faster. I'll see you when I get these all spinning. So, guys, they're spinning. Look at that. White one. Blue and green. Yeah! You just hit it. How dare you! I'm just kidding. They hate you. They're grounded. So, leave down in the comments below if you have a fidget spinner. And, my favorite fidget spinner would probably be this one. Because it's thicker than this one. And this one, it only came with 1 finger pad, so it's a little sad, but this one came with 2 finger pads, so that's good. And look how fast it spins. Okay, guys, I'll give you a little sneak peek of what I'm gonna do in the next video. Did you see? No more sneak peeks. Okay, so this is my sister's and she got it from Christmas. And I'm just going to see which one spins faster in had a shorter time. Blue's going pretty fast. It looks like it's really slow, but it's actually going super fast. I think the white's gonna lose. Oh no, white's slowing down, guys. White's slowing down. Uh-oh, white's gonna lose. Yeah, green's going. Blue and green is definitely gonna win because it's just going, not even slowing down at all. It says high performance bearing for this one, so I think that won. It won, so it looks like that green one is blue and green one is the fastest. Wait. What'll happen? That wasn't good. Let's try that one more time. But in my hand this time. I'm only spinning one for some reason. So I'll show you what it looks like with the finger pads off. Doesn't work that well. It still goes super fast, but that's awesome. So you know what's pretty cool? So look at this, guys. This is longer than this part, and once it goes through the fidget spinner bearing, it connects like this, and you can just go like this and then just spin it. It's really cool. And you can make it go down super low. Not super low, but like this. And you can easily pop it off. Let's see if it does it with the white one. Don't think it will, because the white one, yeah, it's a different finger pad. So I'm going to try using the blue finger pads on the white one. That definitely makes it spin a lot faster. Look, guys. Whoa, this spins so fast. Okay, guys. Isn't that crazy? Let's take these blue finger pads. Got one off. Got two off. Let's put this finger pad back on. Slowest one. And here comes the fastest one. Oh wait, let's see which one's stronger. Whoa, definitely the white one. Actually, let's see. Wait. And it looks like this one's stronger. And what I like about this one is that it's really like slippery, and when you get like some dust on it, when you like rub it against your floor and there's like a lot of dust on it, you can just easily scrub it off. Want to see? So my floor's a little dirty, and see how there's like white stuff around here? And now look it. It's all clean. Like there's nothing on it. And I also like that it goes super fast. That's gonna be it for the video. Sorry guys, but I'm doing another video after this. Peace out. Peace.